How to see how much you spend time on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see how much time you spent on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see, you go here to your profile icon, click on it and click here like this, and you will see your activity. Click on it, and now you will see here time spent. Click on it, and here you will see how much time you spent on Instagram. And that's how to see how much you spend time on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.